All right, 2012 Mercedes CLS550. We're gonna be replacing this air strut. All right, so we're gonna unplug this cable here. That's the speed sensor. I'm gonna see if we can leave it there. This should just pop out. Oh, somebody broke it already. We get the sway bar off, then it's this bolt and two over here. These are probably 10s, maybe an E14, and then that 18mm up here. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. If it spins, you're gonna have to, but luckily these are new. But when they're worn out, you're probably gonna have to put there's probably a 5 or 6 in here and then take it out by hand. I mean, I don't know. I think they're like 100 games, but I don't know if I can do that. All right, so we should be able to let it hang here. There's not a lot of pressure on any of this, so it should be fine. This is off. Oh, there's the plate. All right, I just need to get the bolts on top and this should pop out. We'll put the new one in. All right, so we're gonna take off these 3. These were E12s. The other one was the ones on the back were E14s. I got somebody here holding it just so it doesn't fall down, but I'm gonna loosen this one and I'll grab it. No, all right, so this is ready. I'll torque these down and mount this when I bring it down. So we just make sure all this stuff is run here right. I'll probably put a zip tie around this thing because I'm pretty sure there's something else supposed to be holding it. All right, we plug that one. I'll put these in here. I'm gonna wrap a zip tie around here because I think it's missing something. So I'm just gonna torque everything down and we should be good. All right, we should be good here. I'm gonna put the tire on and we'll torque the top. So we're gonna take this off and put on the new one. I'm just really scared of dropping it. So I just cut the tip off because it was kind of frayed and I don't know, I'm just scared it was gonna leak. And there is a new one in there. I'm gonna leave the cover off just so I can make sure it's not leaking once we do fire it up. I'm gonna put the battery back on. Everything's torqued, should be good to go.